Hey traders, welcome to ABCRichie FX, your trusted guide for mastering forex trading strategies, be it ICT or SMC. In today's video, I will show you how to use Tradingview Tools step by steps so you can analyze and trade with more confidence. If that is what you desire, let's go. So this is how your Tradingview will open. So here you can see down here, you can see a lot of things here. You can see watch list, chart, explore. The most important is your chart, your watch list. Then if you want to, you now come to your chart. Your chart will now open like my home. I also analyze a trade there is going on. So your chart will open. Let me clear all this. So this is how your chart will open. So one thing you need to know is here, your watch list for now, you don't need to have more than 2 or 3 currency pairs. In fact, if you want to really learn, just have one currency pair that you want to master and study, that if it's going up, you know what you are going to do. So here, your watch list. On top here, you can see where I'm touching the plus sign, at the top. When you click it, that's where you are going to add your currency pair. So you can search for any currency pair you want to add, like GBP USD, GBP USD. So that's pounds dollar currency, and you can see the ones that are marked here. I marked 2. Let me remove 1. So 1 is marked. So I've removed 1. If I click it, the one you see good mark sign, that is the ones that I'm using. So I've removed that one. So you can see a lot of brokers that have this currency pair. So you can choose any one of them. It doesn't matter. I don't want the video to be long. So you go to your chart. Here, down here, you see we have talked about the currency pairs where we see your currency pair. Here you can just be moving them up and down. You can see how they are moving, you can see that I move to another one. So that is how you can maneuver here without necessarily clicking, and it begin to open one after the other. Another thing here is the time. That is where the time is. So if you click this place, there are times you must have there, that you will not just be clicking. Anytime you want to move your time, you just roll the way I roll the currency pair. You just move it up or move it down. So when you open the time bar, look, you can see all the time from 1 minute, in fact seconds, from 1 minute, 1 seconds. You can see seconds line, you can see minute line, you can see hours line, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hours. You can see daily, weekly, monthly, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. It depends on the type of traders you are. If you are a day trader, you don't need to go to 1 month or 3 months or a week. You are a day trader, you use the higher time frame you use is just 1 day to analyze at the higher time frame, 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes, and you may execute your trade in at the 15 minutes time frame, or 5 minutes time frame, or even 1 minute time frame. Depends on how you want your risk to be reduced. So to do this, what I did that is making you to see all these yellow stars or golden stars is the times that you need. You hold it down and you see a message. You can see this message that pop up, that remove from favorite, because I've put it in favorite before by clicking the star. So when you hold it, it will tell you to add to favorite. Just let me do this example. The week, look at the weekly time frame. I've not marked it before. I've not put it in my favorite. So if I hold it down now, you can see the message that popped up, that add to favorite. So for me to add to favorite, I will have to click this star, the star by the right hand side. I click it, then it puts star. You can see it's now star is part of you cannot, except you subscribe to paid Tradingview. This thing, you cannot use seconds, and you don't really need seconds. It's too fast. Excuse me. Now that is that about time bar. How to from here, sorry for the advert, from here you can see I'm moving my time from, as I am moving that place, the time is moving. The same thing with currency pairs. As I'm moving it, it's changing, just changing from one currency to the other, Now look, this is the two, this place, this thing like brush. I don't know if you can see very well. Let me increase the light of the phone. So this is the two trading tools, trading view tools that you making use to analyze trade. So here, if you click it, I just click it, so you can see if you have drawn on your you want to measure from one place to the other, you can use this measure. You zoom in, zoom out, you will see them there. Then eraser, you can erase whatever you have drawn on your chart. Then lock, you can lock the chart. Magnet, that is just for you to put somewhere that price is coming to that place, that maybe fair value gap or other block that will magnetize price. Then if you want to keep drawing, then if you want to hide anything, all the things that are drawn on your chart, you can just click this eyes, it will be hidden. Then if you want to remove everything you have drawn, you don't want to remove them one by one, you just click this remove. Then you can see these lines, you can see favorite. I've added some to my favorite also. I see all these ones that have starred, they are my favorite. Those are the ones that I make use often. So when you want to hide, the same way I taught you on time, you hold it down. As I held this one down, the trend line, you can see trend line, parallel channel, long position. Long position is for you to, this is for you to place buy position, on the chart. Then you can see short position is for you to place sell position. Sell is for short position. Then long position is for buy. This is for buy, and this is for sell. This is for sell. So don't forget, by the time you start using it, you can use parallel channel to draw fair value gap. That's the distance between the gap between three consecutive candles. There's a movement that made them have a gap. You can use parallel channel to draw it, or you use a rectangle to draw the channel. You use high and low. You use a horizontal ray to draw high and low. You can also use a trend line to do the same thing. Trend line, you use it to do the break of structure, change of character, and so on and so forth. Their works are numerous. Just depends on what you can do on the chart. Then let's see this. Yeah, this gambos box, you can see it, is a Fibonacci tool. You use it to I will use it for you on the chart. If you are expecting price have moved up or down and you are expecting a pullback, so you want to really know where to enter into the market, you can use Gann box to do that. That is called path, PATH, path. So it's just like all this Elliott impulse, but it does not show all those nonsense figure. Yeah, this is it, PATH. You can see it. So you used to draw the path on your candles, on the as price is moving, creating high, low, higher low, and so on. So let's go to our chart, and this is GBP USD chart. So I want to make use of the ones you have selected as favorite. You look at where you can see them. When you hold it down here, you'll be able to move it. So you can see these 6 dots. Where these 6 dots are, that's where you will hold down, and you'll be able to move your favorite, all the ones that we have started. These are this is where they are. So now you can I want to draw on my chart. Okay, if you want to draw on your chart, you locate the path. So this is it. So with this, I can move. So you can see the price goes down, move to the side. When you bend it to that side, you click the screen. Then you move it down, click your screen. It will stay there. Move it up again, click your screen, move it. I don't know if you can see very well. Maybe I should enlarge it a bit. I stop there. So look at what I have done. Look at what I have done. You can see now from here I drew. Look at what I drew on the chart. Look at what I drew on the chart, showing now I can take the trend line. You can see it has been highlighted blue that I've selected it. So this is a break of structure downside, a break of structure to the downside. This another, if you have done that, you click that line that you just drawn. Look at these three dots here. These three dots, you must make sure that what you drew is selected, because we want to write a text. So look at these three dots. You will click the three dots. Click the three dots. So you can see all that is out. Scroll up until you see setting. Click settings. Click settings. You can see that you can see style, text, coordinates, visibilities, but we don't need all those ones. We need text. So with the color you want your text to be, you select it. If you want it to be blue, I want mine to be blue. I've selected it. If you want it to be black, you select black. You select black. So let's say I selected black. The font, I want the font to be 12 because I don't want it to be, let me even make it 10. I don't want it to be too big. Then I can write in capital letter break of structure, BOS. Then where do I want it to appear? You can see this place. Do I want it to be to be on top of the line or at the bottom, or do I want it to be in the center? Yeah, so you set those ones. Because it's down, I want it to be at the bottom. I want it to be at the bottom, and the place is small. The center is okay. Then another time when I want to draw this, I will like, just after I've drawn the line, I should just select it somewhere and it is written for me. I will not just type again. So you click this place, the three dots down, you click it. So after you have clicked it, you will see something like this. See, save as on top of it. So I want to save what I'm labeling as break of structure, so that you can see that I've already saved it here. I've saved it here. Excuse me. Yeah, I've saved it here. Break of structure. So anytime I click this break of structure, it will just appear on the chart for me. So you will now click save as. You click save as. You now type what you want to save here as BOS. So BOS, you click into the place. So I just save this. Okay, press OK, and you can see there BOS, break of structure. You can see it written there. So look at it. Look, this is what I'm saying. I pick the trend line again. I drew this break of structure. So I'm doing this for those people who cannot use Tradingview at all, that is beginner trader. This is for beginner trader. So I want everyone to be able to, you shouldn't be limited because you don't know how to analyze charts, how to use Tradingview charts, because nobody is starting from that place and you are restricted. Don't be restricted. With this, you'll be able to start, and you'll be able to go along with any video you watch. You'll be able to practice it. Now I have done the trend line. I select it. Then you will come and click this place. Excuse me. Then this is where you will click. You can see this. You click this. You click that. So when you click that, you will see it. It will come out. You can see everything that I've saved there. So you can see break of structure here. Then I select. You can see it appears there. This is how I saved the one I stored there. That's how to use trend line. Now I want to analyze trade. Maybe I want to look at a range. Maybe a day range, 4 hours range, or from one place to the other. When price breaks that place, I want to take an action. So I can use the vertical line, the horizontal line rather. So this is high. It helps me to mark my high, and it helps me to mark this low. So when price breaks down, this high, price has broken it. It has broken it here. Then I can go to lower time frame. You see this place that price broke it. If you go to a lower time frame, just like 1 minute time frame, you will see what will happen there. You can see You can see, can you see what happened there? Can you see that it broke, then it came back to the text that you can now click your, when you have done that, you can, you'll be prepared before price come back to that place. That is by clicking your sell, tool, which is short. You want to short, you short the market, you just stay here and be waiting for the market. Stay here and be waiting for the market. Enter all this, the entry price. This is the entry price. In case somebody sent screenshot something like this and send it to you as a signal, that's the entry price, is the one down. The purple number is the line, the horizontal line I placed there. Then the one on top, that's the stop loss. This is the entry price. This is the entry price, and here is take profit, TP, take profit. So by the time, if you set all this one down, by the time price get to where the entry price, it will tap you in, and you are in the trade, and it begin to go in the direction that you have predicted. So by the time it gets to where you put your your take profit, when you get to where you put your take profit, it will take you out, giving you your profit. But if it did not go in your direction, it will also go to where you put your stop loss and take you out. So that is how the market is. But if it is long, if you want to buy, the long tool, you select it, and you move. If you select it and just click your screen, wherever this cursor is that's where it will be. For example, I select this, I just tap my screen, that's where it will put it. But that's not where I want it. But nothing bad, you can use your hand to move it. Just hold it down, move it, and put it where you want it to be. Your stop loss, you can move it to what you want it to be, and your take profit, you move it to where you want it to be. So that is how to use all these tools. Then if I don't want this anymore, you can see this. Look at this thing like waste bin. So that is delete. I can delete whatever I click. So this one is already clicked, I can delete it because I don't want it. This line, I've selected it. You can see this one pop up, I delete it. The other one, I can also delete it. So that is that about that. And another thing I want to show you is the rectangle tool. Look at this rectangle tool. So for example, this is a break of structure, and when there's a break of structure, there's an order block. Order block is where banks and financial institutions used to place their trade. So for example, the market is going down now. The green candle before the first green candle up, before the one that take the market down, is an order block. So you can see on top there, I highlighted it. If you cannot see very well, let me enlarge it. You can see this green candle up, is beside a red candle. So this green candle is the order block. But if you are confused, you can just mark the first candle in that place. So you can mark the red candle in that place and elongate it to the right hand side. You can see that when price gets there, price respected it and move down and traded down. So if somebody has entered into that trade in just 1 minute, 5 minute time frame, the person will have caught a lot of pip. Then another gang boss, we talk about it for you. For example, this is market has made this move. If this move has been made downside, and you are expecting the market to come back up, so that you can enter a downward, you can short the market, you can sell. You want to, but you don't know where it will stop, because you are seeing a fair value gap here. This is a fair value gap. I will still explain to you what fair value gap is later, not in this video. This is a fair value gap. This is another fair value gap. You don't know which one to use. You don't know which one that price is going to respect. So with that, you can just take your down box, come up on top of the high, you place it there and draw it down to where price stopped. So from where you can enter, you can enter into the market at this place that you are seeing 0.5, 0.5, I marked it 0. You can see 0, 0.5, no, 0.618, 0.75, and 1. So this golden, this is where I used to trade gold. 0.618 to 0.75. But you can still see GU respected that. It went past 0.5, and it respected 0.6, between 0.618 and 0.75. You enter your trade there and sell just above the 0.75. It above the fair value gap. You will have won your trade. You'll have won your trade. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with a friend who wants to start trading. Until next time, stay focused and keep learning. Thank you.